In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart in Monday.com. By the end, you'll turn a regular board into a clear timeline that shows who's doing what and when, so you can plan, track, and adjust your projects with confidence. Before we start, a quick note on what a Gantt chart is. It's a visual timeline where each task appears as a bar stretched across its start and end dates. This makes it easy to spot overlaps, identify bottlenecks, and understand how work fits together over time. If your board already has date columns for your items, you're in great shape. If not, that's fine. You can add those later so the chart knows how to place your tasks on the timeline. Begin by opening your Monday.com workspace and navigating to the board that holds the tasks you want to visualize. Make sure you're in the right place, with the items, groups, and owners you expect. It's also helpful to confirm you have permission to add new views on this board. Nothing you're about to do will change your underlying data. You're simply creating another way to see it. At the top of the board, look for the area where your current views live, typically alongside the main table. Click the plus icon to add a new view. Think of views as lenses. They don't alter the data, they just present it differently. When you create this new view, you'll be able to keep it separate from your table so you can hop back and forth without losing your place. If you like, give the view a clear name so your team can find it easily later. From the list of available views, choose Gantt. Monday.com will automatically generate your timeline by reading the date information in your board. If it already recognizes which columns represent start and end dates, the chart appears instantly. If not, you may be prompted to confirm which columns to use. Once the chart loads, you'll see tasks on the left and horizontal bars on the right, mapped across the calendar. Now take a moment to explore what you're seeing. The length of each bar reflects the duration of the task, and its position shows when it starts and ends. You'll notice zoom controls that let you view your plan by weeks, months, or quarters, which is handy for switching between a high-level strategy and day-to-day execution. Filters can help you focus on a specific team, status, or timeline window without touching the underlying board. That's all it takes. Open your board, add a new view, and select Gantt. You now have a clear project timeline that's easy to share, review in meetings,